Do you want to disable location sharing on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to hide your request to disable location sharing using a few simple methods. Watch till the end. I will also share some useful secrets and tricks as well. Firstly, we're gonna open up the settings and then scroll down till privacy and security. Now find location services and turn that off by toggle off the switch and tapping to turn off. This will prevent your location from being sent through all apps including Find My iPhone and Messages. Now we are gonna swipe down from the top right to trigger Control Center, then click on the square and find Airplane Mode. Tap on it to activate, and this will disable all network connections on your device, including location data transmission. To re-enable data transmission, simply deactivate Airplane Mode by tapping it again. And the last way is to use another iPhone or iPad to share your location. To do this, open Find My iPhone on your device. Then here, tap on Me section and change the location source to your other device in this setting. So in this section From, if you have any other Apple devices signed in the same Apple account, you'll be able to set this device as your current location. This allows you to leave that device where you want to show your location and bring the right device with you. And now your iPhone doesn't share your current location, but it's completely invisible to your contacts. That's it. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.